You did it. 30 days of showing up, learning, creating, and refining step by step, video by video. But this final day isn't about another tactic or another strategy. It's about what these 30 days have made you into. Welcome back. This is day 30 of the Creator Breakthrough Series, and today we're reflecting on what's truly changed, not just on your channel, but in you. When you started this journey, you were probably searching for answers. How do I grow? What's the algorithm doing? What if no one watches? But somewhere along the way, the questions changed. You built clarity, you built rhythm, you built confidence. You went from reacting to creating, from guessing to leading. Your analytics didn't just improve, your mindset did, and your systems did, and your voice did. So today we close this 30-day sprint by defining your creator identity, who you've become and who you're stepping into next. So here is your 3-part creator identity framework. Number 1, you've built clarity. Number 2, you've built consistency. Number 3, you've built connection. Let's start with part number 1. You've built clarity. You no longer guess what to make. You know what your channel stands for. Clarity gives you creative power. You know who you serve, why you show up, and what direction you're moving in. How did you prove this? Because you discovered your winning topics on day 22. You built your content calendar on day 23, and you learned to keep people watching on day 26. That's clarity in action, and it's just getting started. Write this one sentence down. My channel helps who achieve what through how. For example, my channel helps new creators grow with simple 10-minute daily lessons. Because when your message is clear, the next thing that matters is your rhythm, which leads us to part 2, what you've built. You've built consistency. You've proven you can show up even when motivation fades. Momentum isn't built on inspiration, it's built on repetition, discipline, and trusting your own process. How you proved this? You filmed even on low energy days. You created a workflow that fits your life, not someone else's life. You stopped choosing perfection and focused on progress. Consistency is no longer something you're trying to achieve, it's part of who you are. So write this down. I don't post when I feel ready. I post on command because I'm a content creator. And once you can show up consistently, the next layer of identity becomes obvious: connection, which is part 3. You've built connection. You stopped talking at people and you started talking with them. Algorithms shift, trends fade, but connection compounds over time. And that's the magic. How did you prove this? In the past 30 days, you built community in your comments on day 27. You learned to retain attention through story and structure. You turn viewers into participants, not just observers. And this is how movements begin, one human movement at a time. So I want you to reflect on this. Write this down. I don't just want views. I want relationships that change both of us. Because what you've built internally is what sets up everything that comes next externally. So take a deep breath. Look back. 30 days ago, you were just starting. Now you've built clarity, consistency, and connection. The 3 pillars that every thriving creator stands on. You've become the kind of person who doesn't wait for opportunity. You create it. You are not a small YouTuber. You are a developing creator, a teacher, a storyteller, a builder, an impactor, an expander, an evolutionist. No, maybe that's too much. But this isn't the end. This is chapter 1. The next chapter is where you start your clarity into income, your systems into scale, and your creativity into something that supports your life. But right now, pause. You've earned this moment. Now it's your turn. I want you to comment your biggest lesson from the last 30 days. I want you to re-watch your very first video and see how far you've come in the past 30 days. And then I want you to write one promise to yourself for what's next. For the next 14 days, I'll keep building with intention because this isn't the finish line, it's the foundation. You've built clarity, you've built consistency, you've built connection. Now it's time to build prosperity. Your message, your momentum, your audience, these are the ingredients of a sustainable creator business. So today, I'm inviting you into the next chapter, the Creator Prosperity Series. It will be 14 videos to monetize your YouTube channel. And in those 14 videos, we'll walk through how to shift from creator to entrepreneur, how to design your first digital offer, how to turn your content into income streams, and how to sell naturally through trust, not pressure. This next chapter isn't about chasing views, it's about creating value that pays. So if you're ready to take everything you've built and finally make it profitable, hit subscribe, turn on the notification, and join me for day 1 of the Creator Prosperity Series starting soon. You've already proven you can grow. Now it's time to prosper. This is where creators become entrepreneurs, and your next chapter, it starts with building a sustainable YouTube business. I'll see you there. Bye for now.